Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve here. Today's video I'm very excited to do because we are going to be unboxing my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty haul. If you like this type of video, give this video a like and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into unboxing all the products that I purchased from 21 Days of Beauty spring event. In a new space. Technically it is still my beauty room, it's just a different corner, but this is basically my chair where I sit a lot and edit my videos or work on other things, so it's really cozy. I'm really excited to show you guys what I've purchased from 21 Days of Beauty spring event that just recently passed. I did film the recommendations video for you guys, which you happen to like a lot. I only have this little box and there's just really not that many things in here, which I'm really proud of myself. The first product that I picked up is this Flex Fix Good Jeans plus Ceramic Slip by Sunday Riley. I did talk about it in my recommendations video and my wish list, and I did tell you guys that I was really interested in picking this up. Sunday Riley is quite an expensive skincare brand, and I have happened to try some of their items in like tiny teeny sizes. So in this set you would get 2 travel sizes. Good Jeans, it's all-in-one lactic acid treatment. It's amazing. It literally works overnight. My skin is the softest and it helps with a redness, it helps with breakouts, the texture. I can't say enough good things about that product. Like, I'm so happy I got my hands on this. And then the second product from this kit, the Ceramic Slip, a face wash. Guys, that was the first time I've tried it and I have to tell you, that stuff is so good. That cleanser has absolutely amazing texture. It almost feels a little bit slimy in a way. It does have a very good ingredients like French green clay, bentonite, and white clay that helps you pull out oils, toxic substances, and impurities from your skin. Purifies, but yet it also calms it down because it has rice and olive oil. The texture is amazing, very gentle, kind of creamy, but very thin consistency, almost like a serum like. When I wash it off my face does not get dry. Another very much favorite product, this is an HA/BHA exfoliating cleanser by Murad. I do currently have almost a full tube. This literally changes my skin health and appearance 180 degrees. Last month I had very weird breakouts right here on my chin. I think it was just diet, stress, all the mixture of things. I haven't changed my skincare. I just used this cleanser in the shower while washing my face and it literally cleared out my whole entire skin. No breakouts, no marks left. Absolutely amazing products. It does have a little bit like a gritty texture, so it does have an effect of exfoliation. Expensive, but definitely is worth the money. Even if you purchase it on a regular price, it's still worth the money. It is almost like a treatment for your skin. The next product that I picked up is this vitamin enriched face-based all-in-one primer and moisturizer by Bobbi Brown. So this is just an OG product that is a moisturizer and a primer all at once. So it's that type of product that you can easily travel with. You can just kind of like one and done situation. It gives you the hydration but also primes your face. With my skin type, a lot of times when you try to layer up too many products, it actually makes your skin act greasier. If you just have one multifunctional product, that's always great. One thing that I wanted to mention, this product does have a little bit of a scent of something citrusy, if that's just something that turns you off. I normally do not use anything scented, you guys already know that, and I try to stay away from it, but I don't mind it when it's something very minor. I would still use it more of like a primer rather than a main skincare. I would be still using it on top of my serum, so that would not be the first layer that I would apply on my face. It would be maybe like second or third. I also went ahead and picked up 2 palettes from Nabla. I wanted these 2 palettes. I'm gonna show it to you one by one. This is a Wild Berry palette. This was number 5 and this is the color Story. Absolutely beautiful. All my makeup that I'm wearing today will be listed for you in the description box. I just wanted to mention that I do wear Analog palette by Nabla. Also, I'm just obsessed with this palette. It's neutral, but it does have gold shimmer and that duochrome gold and coral. This is what's on my lids today. I'm literally obsessed with that palette. It's just such a high quality. It does have that cream to powder matte formula similar to Natasha Denona, but formula is just so friendly and like so easy to use. The shimmers give you that wet lid effect. Have different textures. We have a duochrome. The mattes are fantastic. You do kind of have the balance, 3 mattes and 3 shimmery formulas, but their shimmer formulas are all completely different. And then the second palette was the Midnight palette by Nabla. If you guys have watched new series to my channel, monthly collected hauls, then you remember that I purchased that e.l.f. blue palette from their cookies and cream collection because I did want something blue in my eyeshadow palette collection. That palette unfortunately was a huge disappointment. I really had my eyes on this palette, and let me tell you, this one did not disappoint. And you guys see that this palette is untouched, it's brand new. So when I initially received this palette, it was very much broken, and I contacted ULTA customer service and they replaced the palette and sent me a new one. I know these palettes are not new, but if you guys like to see me use this in my upcoming videos, let me know in the comments below. Then I also picked up this Hello Lashes by IT Cosmetics mascara. I haven't tried this mascara before. It was a completely new item for me. I did want to try like a different mascaras because I recently have used up a lot of mascaras. Actually, there is a video that just went up on my channel with all the makeup beauty empties. I believe this was a surprise steal. The wand is really interesting. It does have the short plasticky bristles, which I personally enjoy. It does kind of remind me that Benefit their Real Magnet mascara. I did talk about that mascara in my recent beauty empties video. Like the end of the brush is not just flat cut off. It has almost like a bowl shape, and this brush shape really makes it easy to apply mascara into your inner lashes and then your outer lashes. So this mascara doesn't smudge. It is a tubing mascara. It washes off super easily. I don't notice too much volume, but it does give you a really decent length and separation, which I enjoy for the daily wear. So you can definitely build up few layers if you like, but then it just dries out really nicely and quick. This is a perfect mascara for day wear. You guys also know that I do like a lot of products from ULTA Beauty brand, and this time I did pick up this one product, Positive Mindset Translucent Setting Powder. This is infused with rosehip oil. It's supposed to minimize the appearance of pores. This powder is very, very thin. It's so finely milled. I do also find it a little bit drying, you guys, and I'm a combination oily skin. I have tried different ways of applying this powder already on my skin. I tried the brush and the sponge and a puff and found that using a puff is actually the best way to apply this. It gives you a little bit smoother application, and definitely a little goes a long way, because if I over apply, it actually feels a little bit drying on my skin. I'm still testing this product, so I'll keep you guys updated in my future videos. So last but not least, this is the Lancome Idole Eau de Perfume. This is a 3.4 fluid ounces. So I did tell you guys that I really wanted to pick this up. I've purchased this perfume for gifts for people in the past, and I just really enjoy. I think it's just very classic, very feminine scent that is not boring. It's the type of perfume that you can wear day or night. This describes as having fresh floral scents, energizing citrus, and white musks. I'm not a huge fan of floral scents in general. This perfume has that combination of like balanced fresh floral scent, and that citrus and musk really just balances it out. It lingers quite nicely throughout the day. And the packaging is really nice. It actually does have a wider bottom that you can stand this out. Okay guys, this sums up my video today. This was a very small shopping haul for me. I am very, very pleased that I did not go crazy. I did pick up some essentials and some things that I really had my eyes on. They were on my wish list for some time, like Nabla palettes, and I was really, really impressed by the new mascara. Let me know in the comments below what you purchased, and were there any products that really, really surprised you? Was there anything that you were very, very happy to get your hands on? If you like this video, give it a thumb up, and I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.